Welcome to Scale Modeling Videos. Today we'll be doing a review of the Eduard I-16 Type 10 1x48 scale kit. This is the next kit I'm going to build as well, so we might as well do an in-box review first, alright? Quick look at the box art. Just a few shots of the kit. Kit number is 8469. Okay, and that's a scheme that we're going to be doing. Alright, me personally, I like to do out of the box builds, oob, as they're called. Not too much fuss, get it over and done with, not too long, and keeps the mojo going. Alright, okay, everything in one big bag. Looks like a decal sheet. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's get the instructions first. That's just a cover sheet for the decals. Okay. Alright. Okay, so there's your sprue collet there. So parts that aren't going to be used. Okay, so it looks like we're assembling the fuselage. One side of it, the other side of it, bringing the halves together. Okay, then we're assembling the cockpit. It tells you the angle, that you want the seat to sit at. Even though this kit's going to be oob, I'm still going to use some kind of seat belts for that. Okay. There you go. As the cockpit panel, you have the option of the decal there as well. Wings going on. Fuselage half going on top of the wings. Small parts there. The rear wings going on. The tail wing. The engine being painted. The front of the aircraft going on. Tiny parts there going on there. Okay, landing gear going on. Landing gear doors. And there's a tiny part that goes on top of the landing gear. It makes it stick out like that. Excuse me. Heavy dinner. Okay. Yeah, other side, landing gear going on. Pretty much the same thing. It looks like the other side has a cut in the landing gear door for something. Just don't understand. Oh, yeah, this side has it too. Yep, no worries. Okay, it's for this part that makes the landing gear stand in a certain way, and that gives you the angle at which it should stand at. Okay. I think what's next? Page 7. The gun's going in, and then this piece here going on. The canopy going on top of that. And the propeller. And that's it. Nice and simple. Something, if you're feeling down, one of those kits that'll pick you up because it's nice and quick to do. And a simple color scheme too. Alright, let's get into the kit. All packed into one plastic bag. And I don't really care if it is or if it isn't. If it makes it cheaper, hey, I like that. Alright. Canopy. Okay. Pretty clear, right? Let's have a look at that. Very clear. Very nice. Tiny. Almost like a 1x72 there. Canopy there. Okay. We'll probably dip that in a glass of future to protect it. Careful here. Okay. Here. Okay, let's look at the fuselage halves here. So, not much detail on the surface because there wasn't really much detail on this kit. If I might be wrong, I'm not an expert. I think this aircraft was made out of wood. Okay, I might be wrong. So if you know better, put something down in the comments. Yep, there are some details where they need to be. So you got that. You got little rivet details where they need to be. Some here, some here. Okay, it's a tiny aircraft. Tiny. Oof. Okay. Let's do the wings now. So that looks like the top of the wings. I've got a bit of detail on there. Some ribbing there. Some ribbing here. Some rivets, some screws, or whatever you want to call them. Bolts, I think. Some pen lines. I think that's a raised pen line there, yep. The underside. So you have rivets there. Nice detail here. More ribbing on this side as well. Okay, that's that. We've got the engine cowling here and the rear wings. Let's have a look at these. Nice ribbing effect again. Same with the rear wing stabilizer, whatever it's called. And yeah, get the cockpit panel here. Really nicely done. Okay. And you've got a plain one if you've got photo etch, or you just want to stick the decal on top of that. Wheels, devoid of any tread detail. But yeah, they look alright. Bit of flash here and there, but yeah, nothing a quick sand can't finish. Propeller, nicely done. The front of the propeller there, and the engine. Let's have a look at this, eh? Very nice. Very nicely done. No seam lines too. Props there to Eduard. And a quick look at the seat. Very simple. Okay. There we go, some tiny parts here. Those look like the exhaust, and whoa, look at that. They've got holes on the other end. Not fully drilled out, but that's good detail there, man. Okay. That'll save me going in there and drill those holes out. I'm probably not even getting them in the center if I do it myself. Yeah, nice detail on the landing gear. It's very skinny. But yeah, let's see if we can see a seam line there. I don't see one. Very nicely done. The other side of the landing gear doors, very nicely detailed there. Same with the other parts of the landing gear doors, very nicely done. Okay, very detailed kit. Let's have a look at the decals now. Okay, so not a lot of decals there, just the way I like it, eh? Very little carrier film, very nice, except for these. You've got some carrier film in there, but hey, what can you do? That's it. So that is the Eduard 1x48 I-16 Type 10, guys. Well, if you like the review, give me a like on the channel and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming video build, guys. Alright, that's Scale Modeling Videos. Checking out.